Hi, I'm Alan Martins. I'm the owner and operator of House Doctors Painting here in Aberdeen, South Dakota. And behind me today, you can see that we just got done painting a lake house. It's 1-2 stories depending on where you're at, and it has a brand new coating. It's protected from the elements, and it's certainly something that no one else has on the lake. It has a nice bold finish. It went from a cream off-white color to a very dramatic, dark, rich color that sets their house apart from anybody else's on the lake. Maybe that's not your choice, but we can certainly help you with any color. We can do color consults, we can do test samples to get you that color that you want. And it's gonna be protected for years. So this is gonna last them 15, 20 years until they have to have it repainted. It's very durable, it's resistant to the weather, and something that's a problem around the lake is well water. So whether you're at Mina, you're at Richmond, you're at Rolling Hills, or Moccasin, where that water from your sprinklers is staining your siding, it's no longer gonna happen on their house anymore because we use top-of-the-line coatings and materials, and once again, it's very durable and it'll last them a long time. We're on one of their outbuildings here, and one thing that we wanted to point out, that down over here there's a lot of staining, and that was from the well water that we're kind of talking about, how it stains the siding gradually over time. So we go through, we clean all that back up so there's no more staining, and then our coatings that we use will prevent future staining. Another thing that we kind of fixed along with this shed is this brick mold was all rotted and decayed on the bottom of this, so it basically all crumbled in our hands. It was something that we were able to fix. So we took the door off, it took care of any rotted or decaying wood, we replaced it, and we actually replaced it with permanent, so they actually, going forth, will never have that problem anymore. So we do a little bit more than just painting. We'll do the minor repairs too, or if not, we have contractors that we can refer out to as well. So another spot that we noticed when we're working on this project was there's a lot of also staining behind me. Same thing, sprinklers were hitting the house and staining the siding. As you can tell, we got it all cleaned up. It looks sharp, it's nice, it's protected. Another thing to note about this little area is look how intricate this is. Look how hard the elevation is to either put ladders or scaffolding and do it safely as a homeowner. That is why you want to hire a professional crew that has the equipment and can safely do it while making sure they don't hurt anything on your house. Behind me today is a shed that they had also on the same property. One thing to note, and it's a common problem in our area, is spiders or anything that creates spider webs or nests on the bottom of the siding. So you can tell it looks really clean. It's gonna stay really clean for the next 10 or 15 years because we have the technology and the coatings to make sure it keeps doing that. So if you have a house that has a lot of stuff that likes to grow underneath your siding, well, you should give us a call today because we got stuff to fix that. So one thing that's really neat about our coatings is they're hydrophobic. We can make them so water doesn't stick to it, which keeps it really clean. Is your home's exterior chipping, peeling, flaking, fading? Give us a call today.